Children, now I am going to teaching about letter writing. Before going to knowing about letter writing, we have to understand what is the uses of letter writing. Letter writing is one of the good communication. It is one of the written skill for the purpose of communication. First of all, we have to understand what is communication. The word communication is derived from the Latin word communico or communicare, which means to share our ideas, thoughts, or feelings, one person to another person. Here, two types of communications are there. One of the oral communication, second one is written communication. First of all, oral communication. Different types of oral communications are there. So, interperson communication, group communication, and mass communication. So, written communication is very important than oral communication. So, it is one of the proof. If you want to share your ideas one person to another through writtenly, first of all, we have to understand and we have to know complete the rules of the letter. So it is very important. So here different kinds of parts of, before going to write a letter, we have to understand. First of all, we have to know about how to write a letter, how many parts in the letter we have to understand. First part is one of the first part, that is called heading. So later we will discuss how to write a heading. So here second part is greeting. So fourth part is body of the letter. In the body of the letter, three parts are there. One is introduction, second one subject matter, third one is conclusion. So that is called body of the letter. Fourth one is leave taking. Fifth one is subscription. Sixth one is superscription. Before going to start the letter writing, we have to remind in our mind, first of all, heading. What is the heading? You have to write the heading, top side of the paper, right side of the corner. It is called station, comma, date, full stuff like this. What is the another name of the greeting is called salutation. Body of the letter, we have to understand first of all, introduction, subject matter, conclusion. It is the third point. Fourth point is leave taking. Fifth point is subscription. Sixth point is superscription. So we have to understand on the paper how to format the paper. First of all, we have to understand various letters are there: formal letter, informal letter. It is called personal or impersonal. First of all, we have to know format of personal letters. Just imagine that it is the paper. First of all, we have to first point is station. Keep comma and date. Full stop. It is called heading. Second part, like this, if you write father or mother or friend, dear father, you have to keep comma. Or if you want to write a letter to your friend, you do not write dear friend, you have to write dear Raju or dear Rani, keep comma like this. So it is called writer's complementary is called salutation. Third one is I am fine here. Like this, it is, what you matter you want to write this. It is called body of the letter. Body of the letter or body of the information. In the information, first of all, you have to write introduction. What do you how to greet your father, and sometimes we are greet namaste dad or namaste mom, like this only. We can write introduction. So what do you want to share or express, or why do you write the letter, you have to mention. That is called subject matter. And last one is conclusion. At the end of the point, with lots of love or with warm regards. Etc. It is called leave taking. Next one. Here, if you want to write a letter to your friend, here yours need not to keep in apostrophe. Yours lovingly. Keep comma, your signature, like this. If you want to write another address, like this, keep comma. At the end of the complete the address, you have to keep full stop. It is called subscription. So sender's address on the envelope, that is called to address. Whom to write, you have to write their name and keep comma, and street and door number comma, and village comma, mandal and district full stop. It is the complete the address. It is called superscription. Just you have to remind different kinds of letters are there, but it is called traditional letter. Different in personal letters, different authors wrote different ways, but it is a completely standard letter. It is very useful for the students at the time of examinations. According to situation in the second unit, according to 10th class syllabus, one personal letter is introduced. Abel Meriwether wrote a letter to his friend inviting him to his wedding. So here, first of all, we have to remind how to use in letter writing. These points are very essential. Use comma, full stop, or question mark, or inverted commas, or underline, or each and everything apostrophe. So how to use these punctuations are very essential for the letter writing. So okay, I will give you one example of one personal letter. Okay, it is one of the example of personal letter. If you write a letter to your cousin to spend a few days with you during summer holidays, describing what you plan to do during the visit, such as going on picnic or visiting the zoo, etc. In your village, different kinds of places are there. If you want to invite your friend, just how to write a letter, how to invite through the letter. First of all, I told you previously format of letter writing. First of all, if you write any subplace, you can keep comma. Otherwise, if you wrote here the main place, it is Hyderabad is the district, the main place, so that's why we have to keep full stop. Then after that date, so you have to mention here full stop. It is called, already I told you, it is called heading. In the heading, you have to write station, comma, or full stop, date, full stop. You have to write like this. Second one is, it is first one. Second one is Dear Murali. Dear Murali, if you want to write a cousin or if you want to write your friend, you have to mention here Dear Murali. After that, you have to keep comma. Write as complimentary. So it is called greeting. How to greet? Greeting. We can call another name of it is called salutation. It is called second point. Remember, body of the information or body of the letter, BOI or BOL. Body of the information or body of the letter. First of all, you have to how are you, keep full stop. Then what you want to express, what do you want to share your feelings or your ideas through writtenly, you have to mention here. It is called matter of the body. That is called body of the matter or body of the information. Last one, conclusion. Before going to complete the letter, you should mention here these and other things you will enjoy when you come over here. I hope you won't disappoint me. It's a concluding words you have to mention here, conclusion. And the last one, looking forward to seeing you or with warm regards. These are called, fourth point, it is called leave taking. And then fifth one, I told you previously, later you have to mention. It is, very important. Relation between the salutation and the subscription is very essential. If you want to write a letter to your class teacher or education department, if you want to write a letter to your principal, sir, you have to mention here your obedient student or yours obediently. Then after that, in the official letter, if you write a letter to your father, yours lovingly, keep comma, yours everlastingly, your loving son or yours loving daughter, then you keep comma and your signature full stop. It is called subscription. Fifth point is subscription. Then whom to write a letter. Sender's address is very important. So you have to write sender's address here. That is called to address on the envelope. It is called, you have to write B. Mauli or Murali. Sorry, here Murali, comma, and Vijayanagaram. Any street or any village, keep comma, then Vijayanagara district, full stop. It is called, to address is called, sender's address is called superscription. These 6 points are very essential for letter writing in personal letter as well as official letter also. So we have to keep in our mind how to use question mark, comma or full stop, or also at the beginning of the letter you have to use capital letter. Middle of that, if you want to mention any noun, proper noun, you should write capital letter. Then at the end of the words you have need not to use any apostrophe here, and after subscription, yours lovingly, you have to keep comma. These are very essential punctuations for personal letter. We will learn tomorrow on official letters. Thanking you.